Did you know that we can actually eat climate change? I'm Philip from Climate Farmers, and here is how we can reverse decades of CO2 emissions with the right kind of agriculture. Through photosynthesis, plants take CO2 out of the atmosphere, turn it into carbon molecules, and use it to grow. They also use their roots to trade a large portion of the carbon with fungi and microorganisms, which bring it deep into the soil. In return, plants get water and nutrients, can increase their reach substantially, and also produce more fruits and vegetables for us to eat. The heavy use of chemical fertilizers and biocides and the current agricultural practice of plowing destroy these networks and release carbon back into the atmosphere.
Short-term increased profits and higher productivity are the reasons for using these cultivation methods. The long-term effects are often neglected. With the current practices, we lose fertile topsoil every year. Without the soil, we won't be able to grow food in the future.
The solution to this is called regenerative agriculture, which builds soil instead of depleting it. It can maximize carbon storage, and it can increase the health of our soil ecosystems. If we enhance global soil carbon by only 2%, we can actually reverse climate change. We have identified farmers who practice regenerative agriculture, and we call them climate farmers.
It's going to storm more weather next year and the year after and the year after and the year after.
We sort of figured out that the way to come to a human and nature inclusive landscape that could actually address all those issues is regenerative farming.
Through the Climate Farmers Network, you can support local farmers directly, purchase their goods and invest into a better tomorrow.
This is a unique moment. Drought, changing weather and uncertainty are opening the conversation around much needed change in the agri-food sector. Let's make sure it goes towards a better future. Become a climate supporter, share this video and come to climatefarmers.org.